Today is going to be a video on the top 5 styles with Mane Attraction. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy and one of the reviewers here for the Wig Studio One team. And down below is going to be links to all these styles and links of how you can connect with wigstudio1.com. These wigs were donated by Mane Attraction for a giveaway that was on our Flare Hair Live, which happens every Thursday night at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So thank you, Mane Attraction and Henry Margou, for donating to our live this week. And there was 5 winners of these pieces. But we wanted to show you these 5 top styles within the Mane Attraction and let you know that most of these styles run in 15 to 16 different colors. So you can always check out these styles at wigstudio1.com. Down below is a link where you can get all these styles. And if you have any questions in regards to these styles, you can reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Let's dive into these 5 styles. We hope you enjoyed this video showcasing the top 5 styles for Mane Attraction. Again, if you're interested in any of these styles, down below is links of how you can get these wigs with wigstudio1.com. Hope you have a great day. Bye.